We're going to take a look at a beautiful semi-tussar saree, but it's perfect for any grand occasion. Abdine solalam. We've got a very monochromatic style coming together. Pastel teal green in the body with a checkered zari element, and of course in the border we've got the same green but innum konjam brighter. We've got the contrast element with the zari and the pink thread work coming in throughout, and in the bird it's a slightly different unique style apdine sollalam. Truly makes the saree stand out. We've got a lovely traditional pallu to tie the saree together. So in the saree innum nariya pieces ungalkaga we've got an amazing offer waiting. DM us or WhatsApp us within the next 48 hours to find out what